What's good? This C Major. I'm about to spit something for you real quick. Coming out of Columbia Heights, Minnesota. Niggas ain't about shit. 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 While you on the block, call yourself hustling. Your pants sagging, you ain't slinging nothing. Only about some 8 balls and dubs in the sack. No bank account, no wipers, no paper. In a rubber band, I'm full back with a 50 gin in my hand. I'm on every corner I can get right solo. That's more definite. Why my dough ain't low? Take consideration all up and down that Broadway Ave. I'm a real showstopper for no real reason. You so whack, me my niggas steady mopping. I don't even choose to leave. They fouling, they know I be on that money. I smell like cash, dirty, crisp, counterfeit. I'm messing with it. I hit my licks so slick and I'm sick with it when I spit my flow, cause I'm C Major. The climax in this bitch, I'm that high point. I be blowing back bunts of kush any time of the day I can get, and I'm all about keeping it real. Now all you other motherfuckers can get the fuck out of my face if you ain't about the same thing and ain't trying to ride with me. Fuck y'all.